Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 5th and final edition or episode of the Jeep TJ storage platform DIY videos, whatever you want to call it. In the last video you saw that I made this double-decker shelf, and in this video I'm going to be finishing it up. Last video I cut it off with this unpainted and everything, but I went ahead and painted it as well as just screwed it in so it is fully in there. But I asked you guys to give me some recommendations and ideas of what to put over the top of that shelf so it's not just plywood. And you guys gave me really good ideas. One of you said to put anchor points, and so I'm gonna be putting anchor points on each corner so I can strap my stuff down so that way it doesn't slide around everywhere. And the other was to put a rubber mat, and instead of rubber I actually went ahead and did kind of this like utility type of carpeting material that's made for like walking on, and the bottom is like a rubber material so it won't move. The bottom is like a rubber material so it won't slide or move on you. So thank you guys for those ideas, and let's go ahead and get this going.
Man, I got stuck. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? You haven't seen me in a video yet. I'm Donovan.
So this is basically what it's gonna look like. All I gotta do is trim it up and it will be finished. And then I'll go ahead and add the anchor points on each corner so I can strap my stuff down. So let's go ahead and cut it a little bit. It is gonna be a little bit too narrow, which kind of sucks, but it'll look fine. So let's get it. Okay, so as you can see, I got it all down, cut to size, and then I also installed these mounting points. Now I know they might be sideways because I should strap something from here to here, but the reason that I mounted it like this is because the holes are going this way. So if I mounted it like this, then this board might not be wide enough to hold the screws. So it'll still work. I mean, the loop will just go sideways, not a big deal. But now I'm actually gonna go ahead and Velcro the bottom to the wood just so it doesn't move, and I can take it off if I need to. So let's do that and then it's done. Okay, we got everything done. It looks extremely good. And that is gonna be it for this video. That's gonna be it for the series. This is basically all that I had to do to make it complete. So hope you guys like how it looked. I will probably be adding something to cover just the open wood, but it looks really good. It looks really nice, and it's gonna be helpful when I'm packing and going on this trip. So thank you guys for your suggestions. If you like what you saw, make sure you leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.